Hello viewers, I hope you all doing well. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you a free email spam checker for your email campaign. So I'm gonna be showing you a free tool that is gonna help you find out your email spam score of your email drafts or newsletters. You can use this tool to check the spam score of your email draft or newsletters, so that your email does not end up in spam. So without wasting time, let's begin. Alright, we are on our computer screen. Just open up your browser and go to this website called mailtester.com. I will leave a link in description. Just visit this website, and here all you have to do is send a mail to this email address. Just copy this email address, go back to your mailbox, and here I have a sample to show you guys. Just paste this into address and click on send. Now our email copy is sent to that address. Go back to the same website and click on then check your score. So here is our spam score. It's 8.4 out of 10. So this is gonna give you a spam score. If it is less than 5 or 4, you have to really change your email, because the email servers are gonna mark your email as spam, and your emails or newsletters will end up in spam. So it says your email is almost perfect. I don't think so. And what else? And if you scroll down, you can see all this checklist here, where you can click and read all the details. You can check the HTML version, you can check the source of this email, you can also check if it is properly authenticated by SPF servers or not, and all these things. And also you can check if you're blacklisted or if you have any broken links in your email. So that's about it. You just have to visit this website mailtester.com and copy the email address and send your email draft to this email address. Then click on check your score, and this is gonna give you the score and all the checklist. You can go to each and everything in detail here, and you can see the overall score of your email, and you can check the spam score of your email. If you want more tutorials on SEO, WordPress and online marketing, you can explore my channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.